after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and it to beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday! Today is your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows. It's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day.
Hello King, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and happiness. Take good care of yourself and your family. God bless you. We love you very much.
Happy birthday, Ging! Hinaot nga na ako sa mayong panglawas o magmalipayon ka sa imong adlaw nga natawhan bisag wala na imuhang mama anagyapon kami nga imong mga iyaan o igagaw sa imong kiliran o salamat sa imong kaayo diri kanamo, Ging. Daghang I hope you have many more birthdays to come. I love you, Ging. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nay Maige.
Happy birthday, King. Salamat sa tanan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Te Maige. Thank you sa tanan. Love you. Mama chup chup.
Happy birthday, gang. Manginaot ko nga daghang pang birthday nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi ug tagaan ka pirmi ug maayong panglawas. Again, happy birthday.
You should change your name to laughter. You bring joy to every room. All the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and it to beautiful. You should change I don't think you'd mind it if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change my name to I love you? We